Hi there, what's up mummies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm still with my guest vlogger here. This is her last Sunday, the day before she flies back to Manila. So for her second to the last day, we are going to ride a river cruise, like a boat tour, here in Dresden, our hometown here in Germany. So right now we're here in the Kirche at the Church of Our Lady in Dresden. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Los geht's! Okay, let's go to Elbe River. The Sächsische Dampfschifffahrt of Dresden, Germany, is the oldest since 1835 and the biggest paddle steamer fleet in the world. It consists of 9 wheel steamers, 2 salon ships, and 2 motor ships. It was formerly known as the White Fleet or the Weiße Flotte in German. The tour starts at the Terrassenufer along the Elbe River going to Blasewitz. All the ships have names of Saxon towns and cities or Saxon people like August the Strong. Para to, river cruise. Malaki pala siya, oh. It's quite huge. I thought it's not that big. Let's go up. Ano siya, 2 floors. And then it's indoor, so it's very good during winter. Yeah, we have to wear mask. Ayun na sila. Wow! Ay, ang ganda. We're in front. Look si baby. Hi! Ganda here. Oh, so they have a menu. Winter menu. Let's check it out. All the drinks. And some snacks and soup. Salad. We're sailing. Ayan din siya. It's one of the river cruise ship. Sächsische. Sächsische.
Im Namen der Weißen Flotte Sachsen sowie der Schiffsbesatzung darf ich Sie recht.
If you are in a hurry but you still want to relax and see more of Dresden, I highly suggest this activity. So wala siyang bridge dito kaya they're using this small boat to cross this part of the Elbe River. Ano siya? BFAB. Yan yung public transportation ng Dresden. The round boat tour going to Blasewitz costs 21 euros for adults, and for children from 6 to 14 years old is only 15 euros. Please check the website on the description box below for more information. While you discover the history of Dresden, you're enjoying the amazing food and drinks available on board. Dresden ice shaker. Really yummy. Choco ice shake. Masarap. One of the highlights of this tour is the magnificent views of the Elbe Palaces. You will also pass the Elbe bridges and learn their history and see the famous LOSCHWITZ Bridge or the Blue Wonder. Okay, there's the suspension bridge. See it from here. Ayun siya. The suspension bridge. We picked this boat tour going to Blasewitz or LOSCHWITZ for 1.5 hours, which begins at Terrassenufer, and we discovered the 3 Elbe Palaces, which are the Albrechtsburg Palace, Eckberg Palace, and the Lingner Palace. We traveled to LOSCHWITZ, Villa Quarter, and passed 4 of the famous Elbe bridges, including the LOSCHWITZ Bridge, which is affectionately known as the Blue Wonder Bridge. The ship will turn after the Blue Bridge Wonder, thus giving us a full view of the 3 palaces under Elbe. Okay, let's go on top sa may deck. Okay, super nice. Kaya lang super lamig. Wala akong dalang jacket. Okay. There's more space here. Perfect.
Genießen Sie nebenbei die herrlichen Blicke im Elbtal und auch hinaus zu dem prächtigen
Ang lamig, oh my God.
und dem Stadtteil Weißer. Von hier sind es übrigens lediglich
Ito yung likod.
15 Autominuten in die Bierstadt Erle.
Okay, magkakasakit ako dito. Look at that! Uy! Ito yung Blue Wonder! Sa ilalim tayo ng Blue Wonder. Oh, ang lamig! Oh my God! Let's need to go back. Ang lamig here. Super cold. Jacket. I'm going back before I freeze to death. Ang lamig. So now we have the view of the three palaces along the Elbe River, which is very close to our heart because the one in the middle, the Lingner Palace, is where we had our lunch during our wedding in 2016. If you have more time in Dresden, biking along the Elbe River going to Pillnitz is surely worth your time, as you will see not only the castles, but you will have a full view of the vineyards, bridges, and villas more closer, and you have more chance to stop over whenever you want. I wish we have more time, but we were finally back after 1.5 hours. But look at that, we had a perfect view of the Dresden Altstadt. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!